Hello and welcome to PM Academy. In this video, I will show you how to put any dress on a model using Artistly. Artistly is a great software with a one-time fee that provides many excellent features. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Now, without delay, let's get started. First, click on Create Design. And then on Fast AI Image Designer. Here, go to AI Design Assistants. Inside AI Design Assistants, select the Merge Magic option. Here, we have two input fields, Image 1 and Image 2. Let's upload our model image first in Image 1. Now, upload the dress image. As soon as both images are uploaded, options will appear to select the aspect ratio and provide a prompt. You can see that placeholder text is already provided to guide you about the prompt. We will reuse the same prompt. You can extend the prompt to do experiments. After checking everything, click on the Generate Image button. Here you can see that an image of the model wearing the same dress has been generated. We can compare both images. Let's generate another image with a different dress by repeating the same process. Here you can see it made a small mistake. We can regenerate the image again to get the desired output. Now, let's generate a male model with a dress. Here, I think there is a slight color change in the dress. Let's generate another image. Let me know in the comments how well Artistly performed. Here, we can compare the results. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe as I keep bringing useful content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.